Hey guys, this is Joel with Custom Hitch and Trailer. We're taking the initiative to boost our social media outlets, and in the process of it, we're trying to give away 2 sets of convertibles to 2 lucky winners. Our giveaway is going to be from November 1st through the 15th of November, and we're going to be selecting the winner totally random. Don't let our name fool you. We do install hitches and sell trailers, but we have access to many different suppliers and have access to hundreds of brands. We sell goosenecks, hitches, fifth wheels, running boards, tonneau covers, mufflers, headers, intake, you name it. Let us help you customize your vehicle and make it one of a kind. Now to our giveaway, we're going to be giving away 2 sets of convertibles, 1 in shank, okay? And you're going to have all 3 balls, 1/7/8, the 2-inch ball, and a 2/5/16 ball. Here is a 1-inch shank with a 2/5/16 ball. To lock it in place, push the pin in all the way through, and it's nice and tight, locked in place. To remove the ball, you need to do is push the pin back out the other way. Make sure you pull the pin all the way through and remove the ball. Sit the next ball in and make sure the pin goes all the way through. And that's it. You're ready to take your toy on your next adventure. All you need to enter this giveaway are a few easy steps. Like this video, share it, like our page, and post a comment down below, either an image of your toys or letting us know what your hobbies are. Do not forget that the giveaway starts on November 1st and it ends on November 15th. 2 winners are going to be selected randomly. If you guys need any assistance or need help or have any questions, whatever it is, you can count on us. We have 2 locations, one in Naples, Florida, and the other one in Fort Myers, Florida. Our Naples location's phone number is 239-643-3181. Our Fort Myers location is 239-274-5702. We also have an e-commerce department. We have a team that is dedicated and who are there to assist you in any way. Their phone number is 1-800-828-9876. Feel free to reach out to me personally at 239-274-5702, and I will try to beat any deal you find online.